This is a video where we will show how to replace the doorknob in your bedroom door. This is an easy job that will take no more than 20 minutes. First, let's remove the existing knob. In this case, you start by pushing the release pin in the inside door handle and pulling the handle out. Then locate the notch in the lock cover and use a flat screwdriver to remove it. That will expose the two holding screws. Loose the screws until you can twist the inside section and it will come out. Then you can pull the outside handle and the locking mechanism out. The first step to putting the new doorknob in is to insert and fix the locking mechanism. Be sure that the slope side is facing the door frame. Then you place the outside handle through by pressing the lock in. Next, place the inside handle aligning up the holes in the lock. Use the two medium-sized screws to hold the two parts together from the inside handle. The final step is to replace the metal piece in the door frame. For that, use the 2-wood screw provided with the knob kit. Now, it is time to test the lock. Be sure that the door closes smoothly and aligned with the door frame. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to follow our How to Do It videos that will make your life easier.